Hello again, I'm Dr. John Shiftwell, and welcome back to Your Shift Health. Today we're going to be talking about transmission fluid. If you want your transmission to live a long, healthy life, it's important to check your transmission fluid. Transmission fluid lubricates and cools off the inner workings of your transmission. This prevents overheating, which is the #1 killer of all transmissions. Every transmission is different. You should check your owner's manual to see how often and what type of fluid you should be using on your specific vehicle. Today in the shop we have this GMC Sierra. This 5.3 liter has a 6L80 and takes Dextron 6. In this specific vehicle, it's required that you change the fluid every 45,000 miles. It's important to have your vehicle up to operating temperature before you check the transmission fluid. Checking it cold can give you a false reading. When checking the transmission fluid, you want to inspect the color. It should be pinkish in color. The darker the fluid, the more burnt it is. You want to smell the transmission fluid for any distinct burnt odors. Be observant. If you have any of these abnormal smells or colors, you should get your transmission checked by a professional. Remember, it's important to monitor your transmission fluid levels. When adding fluid to your transmission, be careful not to overfill. Overfilling causes foaming, erratic control pressures, and leaking from the vent tube. If you're having suspicions that you may have a leak, check under the vehicle for any spots on the ground, your transmission lines, seals and gaskets, and your radiator for any obstructions. Thank you for watching Your Shift Health. For more information on the well-being of your transmission, stay tuned throughout International Shift Awareness Month. Remember to visit monstertransmission.com. Follow, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.